New data shows coronavirus cases are rising quickly among children. The American Academy of Pediatrics reports new infections in kids have increased exponentially over the past month, with more than 204,000 cases just last week. That compares to about 38,000 cases for the week ending July 22nd. Tonight, a local doctor says they are also seeing more children hospitalized with the virus. News 6's Nadine Yanis continues our coverage live from Orlando Health tonight. And Nadine, what are they seeing there?
Well, we're actually speaking to the medical director here, Arnold Palmer, and he says that he believes that this Delta variant is bringing in more kids and bringing them in even sicker. Right now at Arnold Palmer, there are 17 kids currently admitted in the hospital, 5 brought in on a single day alone on Sunday, and 1 is in the ICU.
What I've seen, based on what I witnessed, this virus is different than the virus that we had last year.
Arnold Palmer Medical Director Dr. Federico Lehan believes parents need to hear the Delta variant is different for kids this time. Witnessing it's admitting more kids to the hospital than ever before.
We have seen more kids coming in sick to the hospital. We have seen more children coming with respiratory disease, resembling the disease that some of the adult patients have. Severe pulmonary pneumonia requiring increasing amount of oxygen, and in some cases, intubation and ICU care. So this is like serious respiratory disease.
How many kids in the ICU, do you know?
We have children in the ICU, unfortunately, and we're hoping the best for them.
Orlando Health reporting 17 kids are in the hospital today, 5 admitted in a single day on Sunday alone, and 1 is in the ICU right now.
The number of patients admitted to the hospital also tripled during this last month in August.
Data provided by the Department of Health and Human Services shows on this white line, pediatric hospitalizations among kids are at its highest, with 230 kids in the hospital. For context, on July 1st, there were only 20 kids in hospitals in the entire state.
Do you have age ranges of the kids being admitted into hospital? How young have you seen?
We have seen even young infants admitted with COVID. But I will say that in terms of numbers, the majority of patients that are admitted are those under 6 years of age. But what I've seen is that those who are sicker are those over 12. And again, that kind of breaks my heart, because I know that we could prevent that. We have been lucky that, children have responded to treatments, but I gotta say, they're very sick. They're very sick on a condition that is, again, once again, is preventable.
And Dr. Lehan says that this is preventable, especially for those kids who are sicker over the age of 12, urging parents to get their children vaccinated if they're eligible. And Julie, the toughest thing that we heard from our interview with Dr. Lehan is that because of limited visitations, it's especially tough for kids and families who can't all be united while they're in the hospital. We'll hear more with our interview at 6 o'clock tonight.
Nadine, thank you.